thanks for checking this video, and today I got myself the Xbox Shock Blue controller. This controller is compatible with Xbox Series X or S, Xbox One, Windows 10, Android, and iOS. This one also includes the AA battery, and this one has the improved hybrid D-pad, a share button. Of course, this is a wireless and Bluetooth, and the texture grip. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this box. Okay, there you go. This is really a nice controller and a better grip, because this one on the bottom feels like like a sandpaper. It's rough and provides a better grip. So it comes with the of course the battery, which is the regular standard battery. And let's go ahead and take a look what's inside. So the manual and the Xbox Game Pass. And this one has the share button, and this one has the two-tone color, which is white on the bottom and blue on the top. So just a quick comparison with the original controller that I have. It's pretty much identical except for the share button now. This one has it, so you can easily share your activity on social media. And also the original controller has the micro USB, and this one has the USB-C. Unfortunately, this one doesn't come with any USB-C cable for that. And the connection on the bottom, it's basically the same, so there's no other difference with the bottom connection. And I think that's all about it, guys. This one has better grip and improved D-pad controls, and of course the trigger. As you can see, this one is more better. It's more solid. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you like it, please share and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Peace.